How to create account on Twitch. Are you guys facing issue to create an account on Twitch? If that's so, then this video might help you. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To create account on Twitch, first of all, open Twitch app on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download Twitch application on your mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you open the app, you can see two options over here, login and sign up. You are looking to sign up, right? Just simply click the right button. After clicking it, you can create your account using Google ID, Amazon ID, and Apple ID. Now you can just simply create the account using your phone number. Now just simply select the one you put in your preference. After selecting, write down your registered email and password. After you write it down, you'll be able to create account on Twitch. And that's it, guys. That's how we're going to create account on Twitch application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.